seconds out of this, but that's okay. Hi everyone, so I have another box from Grove. Super excited. It's almost spring. It's that time of year. Gotta get prepared. Spring cleaning just around the corner. Actually, I'm probably gonna do it next week. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Of course, they always send, well, always, it's my second box, a little booklet. Check that out. Packing slip. Paper. Okay, I know I ordered like 7 or 8 things and they crammed a lot in this little box. This is not very big. And the bottom's falling out. That's fantastic. Okay. So I ordered another one of those spray bottles. I love them. I need one for my little chair cleaning concoction that I make. Good Lord Almighty. Okay. You would think there were drugs in there or something. Okay. I got a gray one. My last one was like a tealish, greenish kind of color. Next, let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, my daily wood cleaner. I'm finding that cleaners are kind of stripping my nice kitchen table, so have to solve that problem. Daily granite cleaner. I have a granite cleaner, but it's got tons of chemicals, so I wanted to try Method's granite cleaner, so excited for that. And I'm obsessed. The Rosemary hand soap. Between that soap and the soaps from Bath and Body Works, nothing else is allowed in my house. This wood polish. Very excited to try this out. And we have a bar of Cedar sage soap. And of course, I love that smell. I think I got that one in my last box too. And then dish soap. I got another one because I'm obsessed with the hand soap. Rosemary. The other one that I already got is the lemon. I like the smell, but it doesn't 100% smell like lemons. It feels like it's got a little bit of a chemical scent to it, which is kind of weird to me. I'm going to post a video of my review of the toilet cleaner. So it doesn't have any bleach in it. I did some more reading on the ingredients. I think it's the citric acid that's supposed to be the antibacterial agent. So I'm gonna be putting that video up here soon, along with the testing of the spearmint scented bathroom cleaner as well. I have the eucalyptus cleaner. I love that one. And I have another bathroom cleaner by Method. I can't remember which scent it is, but I love those 2 cleaners, so I'll have the review on the toilet bowl cleaner and the Method Spearmint antibacterial bathroom cleaner as well coming up here shortly. So super excited to try out these new products. I know 2 of these are not new to me. Well, really 3 of them. The bar soap, the hand soap. It smells so good. If you like the smell of rosemary, I can't even tell you. My teenage daughter's obsessed with it. I think my husband loves it. I love it. The younger girls, I keep this one in the kitchen, so they don't really use it as much. It's harder for them to reach. So they're more so in the bathroom where I typically have my Bath and Body Works soaps, but these might start to win out. I don't know. And then, of course, this isn't new to me, just a new color. That way I can keep track of what's in each bottle. I could label them, but why would I do that? I like color coding. So I will be testing out these wood products. I think this is similar to the floor cleaner that I ordered because it's in the almond scent and they look about the same. It's a brownish liquid, just like the floor cleaner. And then excited to test out this Granite cleaner. So I will give you guys thoughts on that. If you think that that's something that would be advantageous to you, let me know in the comments below. That's our video for today. Short and sweet. Be prepared. I'm going to have a nice spring cleaning video coming up too. I'll be filming that next week, and we'll get that posted hopefully by the end of next week. So remember to subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what kind of content you want me to put out there. I'm always happy to receive any kind of feedback. Ring the bell for notifications. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. See you next time. Bye!